Alright guys, Aspiring Meteorologist Aiden Patterson here, and today is Monday, March 22nd, 2021 at 7:09 p.m. And today, we have a severe thunderstorm watch number 45 out. So severe thunderstorm watch number 45 is in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for the counties listed here. So Bell, Burnett, Coryell, Ellis, Gillspool, Hood, Limestone, McLennan, Navarro. I can't pronounce these names. Robertson, Tarrant, Wise, Blanco, Collin, Dallas, Earth, Hamilton, excuse me, Johnson, Lileno, Midlam, Palo Pinto, San Saba, Travis, Bus, something like, I'm not sure, Boss, something, Comanche, Denton, Falls Hill, Lampsess, Mason, Mills, Parker, Somerville, and Williamson. Excuse if I can't pronounce these counties right, but you guys are under a severe thunderstorm watch number 45 until midnight Central Daylight Time, which means the weather conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail, damaging winds in and close to the watch area. You should monitor later statements and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. So, stay safe out there.